Friday night, then it'll be Saturday, Sunday. Time to get home, get the clobber off, and get in the motorhome. Peak District are calling. Hello, you wonderful people. Oh, now Dave. Ah! Take two, take two. Welcome to the Peak District. So we've got our clobber off, we got in the motorhome, and we've arrived in a snowstorm. So Dave, you've just been out for a little walk in it. It was his first experience of snow, but we're here. We're going to get some tea, and then if I can get outside and risk the snow, I'm going to take you out and show you the snow. Right, let's see if I can just... Morning guys. So we really did arrive in a snowstorm, and now you can see behind me we're sat what feels like in a bit of a hurricane. Not quite, but it's super windy, it's super wet, and I have been sat most of the morning hoping that it's going to let up so I can take you outside and show you around, but I just can't get the audio. I've had a couple of goes and you just can't hear. The wind is so horrendous, and it's such a pretty park up. You'll see I put my what 3 words location in earlier, but from every direction you can see the moors. There's a little reservoir just down there, but we're going to abandon this one. We found another site at Glossop. It's about 14 miles down the road. Hopefully it's a little bit more sheltered because we are right up on the top of the hills here, so we are super exposed. So Grace is getting a wash, brushing her teeth. We've had our toast on jam this morning, which was nice, and we're going to head off. So we'll pack up. It's going to be interesting taking the silver screens off in this wind, but I'll give it a go, and hopefully we'll see you when we get to Glossop. But before I go, I do want to show you the view out the back, and also I am coming back to this one, and I do recommend coming here. But looking straight out that back window, you'll see the reservoir. I'll take you over there now. So as you can see, beautiful views. Dave admiring the view. And again, views out that side. One of the things I would say about this park up is please take your litter away with you, because it really has sort of ruined it a little bit. But yeah, there's a view out of the kitchen, and that is down to the reservoir that I'd have liked to take you for a walk to, but I ain't attempting it today. Close.
Take the next right onto Fielding Lane.
And we're driving over a dam. Yes. That's so pretty. We went all the way on the North Coast 500, never saw a Highland cow. We're in the Peak District. Highland cows. Oh, I'm super happy. Howdy, we're at Tintwistle. I think that's how you say it. And we've got brews on go. We like a good brew. I'm a coffee drinker, Grace is a tea drinker. And we've got a real good park up here. I'm not sure if you're going to see it because it's raining. But I'm going to take you out anyway. motorhome just here. And look what's over here. Have a walk over. Grace is out walking, Dave, somewhere. How stunning is this for a parkour? There's only us here. So there's our little Heimer. And that's our view. Right, I'll get back in. We'll show you in the morning. Hopefully the rain will dacker off, but we definitely are sheltered a little bit. We've got a big shelf behind us here, and as you can see, we're sort of down in a valley. So yes, really happy with this one. I'll put the what 3 words somewhere here. So I'll see you guys later. Morning, Dave. We had a right good peaceful night here. Dave, as you can see, lord of the manor, just sat there. He's had his walk, he's had his breakfast. Grace is on the phone. I'm not going to get her in camera because she'll tell me off because she hasn't done her face or her makeup or whatever it is. And I'm going to attempt to do some scrambled egg and toast with my little toasty gadget. Let's snap my fingers and hopefully there'll be eggs in the bowl. Eggies. A little bit of sea salt. And some black pepper. And then we'll give her a whisk. Lovely. Got my little toasty gadget on. And away she goes. You need to watch this in real time because I think it's a great little addition to the motorhome. Ready for my scrambled eggs to go on. Just give it a little turn. Start burning my fingers. As you can see, already starting to toast. She's coming on lovely. I'll get the little pan on in a minute for the scrambled egg. I'm not going to make you watch it all the toast. I'm going to crack on with the toast and then you can come back when it's time to get the eggies in. There you go. Perfect toast on the stovetop. Grace, what are you doing? Oh no, she's like, don't film me. She's capturing the windows while I'm making breakfast. She's not going to talk to me now. And now, my first attempt at scrambled egg in the motorhome. This is either going to go really bad or it's going to be genius. I just bought some nice new stone coated non-stick pans. So I'm going to sit here with my spoon and I'm going to stir away and let's see how it turns out. So far so good, no burnt eggs and starting to resemble a scrambled egg. And in about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, perfect scrambled eggs. And we're going to get crack on, we're going to munch this down and then we're going to take it for a walk. There's a waterfall just that way. Oh, we've got scrambled egg. Dave, do you want some scrambled egg? Dave, do you want some breakfast? Do you want my scrambled eggy? Yes, he does. Say hello to the viewers. Say, if you're enjoying, like, subscribe and leave a comment for Dave. He'll answer. What you, Dave? Go, woo, woo, woo. Grace is giving me a right funny look now. Are you helping? What are you saying, you stupid dog? Look at that. Another beautiful waterfall. Grace, do you like your waterfall? Stop hiding. Stop hiding. Say hello to people.
Hello, people.
How shy is Grace? It's a good job I'm sort of a nutcase, isn't it? And I can talk to all you people off. Well, not really talking to any people. I'm just talking to a phone and a stick in the middle of the Peak District. But God, I do love our walks. And Dave, whoa, bloody Nova. Sorry, I'll bleep that out. Dave likes his walks. Right, nice waterfall. Let's keep walking. There's Dave just loving life. Dave. Again, probably another 1,000 wheeze in him yet before we get back to the motorhome. Yeah. Absolutely stunning. Boo! Howdy! Just stopped at the Bank View Cafe, and why wouldn't you stop and have breakfast at a place that looks as funky as that? We're just at Langsett Dam. We're going to go for a walk to see the sun's coming out. So there's Grace. Langsett Reservoir. What a stunning walk. We're going to keep on walking. Grace is over there, still Mrs. Shy. Get the back of red at least. But me, Grace and Dave, gonna walk. We'll try and get a couple of K in and then head back to the motorhome for a brew. There's a theme to a lot of our videos, and it's water and waterfalls. See? Man-made, and there in the background is a natural waterfall running into the reservoir. So we're at the far side of it now. We're a couple of K in, and we're just going on the flip side now to head on round and see you in a couple of miles. This side is definitely off the terrain, and the other side just heading up now. Dave's in his element. Me and Grace are just starting to feel our age. Dave, are you enjoying that? Come on. Go. Everybody likes the crunchiness of the bracken. Oh! He's obviously got more energy than me and Grace. Come! So if you get him, the terrain's getting even boggier. We've got all that still to do. Hopefully we'll make it back before dark. Oh dear. What a walk. Got hat hair, I'm not bothered. We're back to the motorhome. Grace has kindly made us a brew. Ow, that's hot. There's Grace with her cup of tea. And hold on, there's our little baby boy. He's a bit cold and wet, so we've had to wrap him up in a blanket. But yeah, definitely recommend that walk around the dam. We're going to have a brew. We're going to start thinking about heading home, but you know, just shows you, doesn't it? 2 days and we've been all over the place. Motorhomes are definitely the way forward. So get yourself out there, even if you haven't got a motorhome, get yourself out there and get walking. I'm trying to lose a few pounds, as you can tell. The double chin is still there, but we'll be going. So I'd like to thank you all. If you can, leave us a comment down below. Tell us places that you like to walk. Me and Grace will then try and go, we'll film it, we'll do a bit of a walk, especially if there's waterfalls. Please share down below anywhere where there's waterfalls or water. Grace absolutely loves them, and Dave likes swimming. Well, he did until we went to Ladybower and he fell in, and it's put him off a little bit, but nevertheless we shall keep going with him and hopefully he'll get back in the water. So thank you very much. Here's Big Les, Grace and Dave. We're clocking off from this adventure. See you in the next one.